Hi and welcome to Lois and Morgana Davidson Art. It's Lois here. Morgana is on holiday this Monday, but she'll be back next week. So I thought I'd just share a little bit from her latest exclusive Patreon demo, Goldfinches and Autumn Teasels. It's a wonderfully evocative scene, and if you're interested in this and many more wonderful exclusive demos that she does for Patreon, fully narrated, provided with reference photographs, outlines, all the information that you need to get you going and paint beautiful scenes like this pair of elegant egrets and these majestic swans flying over the wetlands, and of course our favourite birds, the herons, flying amongst the marshes. So if you are interested in following Morgana on Patreon, then please follow the link below, and I'm sure she'd love to see you over there in the Patreon group. So thank you so much for watching. Morgana will be back next Monday, and I'll be back tomorrow with another demo. So I'll see you again soon. Take care and happy painting. Bye.